Listen up, y'all. 4 a.m. It's here at last.
Another day, another chance to get cancer in the.
We didn't give up.
We didn't despair.
We aren't out in an RV cooking meth in our underwear.
We hit the road.
We hit the streets.
And we traded sick bones for sick beats and bite pleats.
Not gonna cry, mope, and complain.
Nah, we gonna make it rain.
Here we go, here we go, here we go now.
Yeah.
Gonna make it rain.
One go.
Let's go.
Let's roll.
And let's
Make
ride.
it rain. Make it rain. Oh, I gotta tell you, better get an umbrella, cause a Peloton.
Gonna make it rain. We had a car wash.
Yard sale.
Cupcakes.
Dunk tank.
Make it rain. Make it rain.
Now I'm part of the family.
Kinda like a
You
Corleone.
mess with me, you mess with the Peloton.
We're an angry mob on giants and tracks.
With a Mongol horde with spokes and dope spandex. You see, it's not about the bike.
Or about the scene.
It's about the fight.
You know what I mean? If I thought it would help knock cancer down, I'd be out here on a pogo stick dressed like a clown. Here we go, here we go, here we go now.
Gonna make it rain.
One go.
Let's go.
Let's roll.
Let's ride.
Rain, make it rain. Oh, I gotta tell you, better get an umbrella, cause a Peloton. We're gonna make it rain. Make it rain, make it rain. There's a party on the finish line.
Yeah, we gonna make it rain.
So raise a pint and crack the champagne. Make it rain, make it
Oh,
rain.
let's send a shout out to the cupcake
Yeah,
queen.
rate's $4,000 and I'm only 14.
Pass the mic to my main man Lee.
I've been doing this ride since I was 83.
Are we done riding?
No way.
Make it rain, make it rain.
When we done riding?
We done riding with cancer's chilling in a pine box 6 feet underground with polio and smallpox.